We're gonna make a pair of these jackets. These jackets are for, and these are not polished. These are for like a martini earring, put a carat-sized diamond. When it's polished, it's pretty nice. We actually sold quite a few of these. For some reason, people really like these. So we're going to take this mold. Oh, there's some in here already. Let me get these out. I left this mold, it's a little too dry. Anyway, so this is a mold. I'm gonna put it together like this, like that, and like that. We're gonna pump up the pressure on our handy dandy wax injector. We're gonna go over here and inject the wax into it. Since this is the first one today, we don't have to let it cool too long. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what happens. The wax gets pushed into the mold, and here you go. There are the jackets. So we're going to set them up and cast them, and we'll show you that part too. So now we have these jackets, and we're going to put them on this okay, like so. And then next we're going to put this into a piece and pour in investment. After the investment sets, we're going to take off this rubber base, and I will show you what that looks like. Okay, this is investment. Mix it with water to make it, you want it like a milkshake. And then we're gonna vacuum it out to vacuum out all the air. Okay, we vacuumed out this investment. We're going to do this one. It's a ring that I carved that we're going to be casting. And these are the jackets that I was showing you before. Okay, and we're going to vacuum it again to get all the bubbles out, all the air bubbles. Okay, now we'll let the investment set up. It's been about an hour, a little over an hour. Going to take off these rubber bases. We don't need this extra wax. We're going to take that out of there. See, that's why it's called lost wax casting. We're going to put this in an oven. All this wax is going to come out and burn out. And then we're going to pour metal or gold into it, and we'll have our castings. Yeah, like that. So we'll show you that step. Okay, here's our oven. I'm gonna put it on low for now. This is the ring. I think I'm gonna put the ring in first. And this one, yeah, there's a J. So this is the jackets. Gonna put the jackets in there. It's on low. And I'm gonna let it burn out. It's gonna burn out overnight. And then we're gonna be casting in the morning. Okay, we're gonna be casting a ring first. that was set up yesterday. I use my Hope torch for pretty much everything. This is how you hold it so you can operate the oxygen. You can operate the gas here. I'm going to heat the whole spoon. I'm going to get the gold hot, and then I'll go get the flask, so I don't have to have the flask there too long to cool. So I'm going to get it to melt point, and then we'll get the flask. Okay, we got the flask out of the oven. It's been burning out all night. Put it here like that. I'm gonna melt this metal. And get this gold nice and molten. Make sure that the spoon is nice and hot. I'm going to pull the flame away a little bit. We don't want too much oxygen. And then when it's ready, I'm going to drop it right in. The button looks beautiful. So hopefully we have a nice casting, no porosity. We'll let it pull for a while. It's a vacuum caster, not centrifugal. So we'll let it pull down for a little bit, and then we're going to shut it off.